Hey guys, so I just ran. There's a part of my neighborhood where there are bats, and they're scary. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Janae, and this is Janae's Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So I am still doing my 30-day walking challenge for the month of September. So this video is just going to be a quick recap on days 11 through day 15. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, stay tuned. All right, guys, good morning. Today is September 11th. So it is the 11th day of my 30-day walking challenge. It feels pretty good out today. It's a little chilly. I think it may rain later. I was able to get out. Oh God, stop. So there was a dog on someone's porch. Friendly. Oh my gosh. I was able to get out earlier today, so I should be able to walk for 45 minutes. I'm still walking my neighborhood. Maybe next week I'll give you guys a change of scenery. Oh my goodness. Good morning, good morning. It is September the 12th, so it's the 12th day of my 30-day walking challenge, and today I am extremely exhausted. I did not go to bed until about maybe like 1:30. I was watching the Charlie Sheen documentary. It's nice and cool out today. I'm hoping that it stays like this for the rest of this challenge because it does feel good. While I'm tired, walking kind of gives me a boost of energy in the morning, and I like that. So I prepare for getting out for my walk is making sure I have something to wear. It's not anything glamorous. Today I have on just a t-shirt, like a long sleeve t-shirt, and some little like joggers. I keep my sneakers right outside because I don't want to have to go into the closet and kind of disturb my husband in the morning. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I'm out the door. I don't drink anything before I go out. I'll just have some water when I come back in. Or as I mentioned before, I've been making smoothies. For my morning walks, I just kind of walk and reflect. Sometimes I'll listen to the news. Some mornings I just walk in silence and just kind of sort out my thoughts. Some mornings I will listen to music. Some mornings I'll walk and pray. Now, that's during the week. On the weekends, I'll walk to go get a cup of coffee, or I'll walk to the store. My daughter and I used to go on hikes in the morning. Maybe I'll do that again. It's just that this month is a little busy for me on weekends, which is another reason why it's important to get up and just invest in myself in the morning. All right, guys, it's day 14. I did miss yesterday. So I didn't walk yesterday, which would have been my 13th day of this 30-day walking challenge. I was busy. It was just a hectic day yesterday. I kept saying I was going to come home and get on the treadmill, but I didn't get home till like 10 o'clock, and it just didn't happen yesterday. So today the plan is to walk maybe for about an hour. Weather's not too bad. Sun's starting to come out, but it's not extremely hot. Day 14. All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. It is day 15. So I am halfway through the 30-day walking challenge. Things are going pretty well. This week, the focus was on trying to walk for about 45 minutes and eating healthier. It's been hit or miss. But overall, Getting up and walking has been something that I look forward to. I've even made some friends along the way, some older women who walk daily. And so now I see them every day, which is pretty cool. If I had to explain the feeling that walking gives me, I would say that it's my cup of coffee before my cup of coffee, because I can be extremely tired, barely able to open my eyes after splashing some water on my face and brushing my teeth. And once I come out and start walking, I feel more alert and awake, and it really does help to get the day started. And now it's become the thing that I look forward to for myself when I first wake up in the morning. So today is day 15. I was able to get off work right at 5 o'clock today, got dinner done, ate dinner, and decided to go on a evening walk. Haven't been able to do that in a while. The temperature's great and it's not too dark outside. So I'm gonna walk for about 15 minutes or so. All right, guys, so I'm getting ready to go in, but I was just reminded why I don't like walking at night. There is an area in my neighborhood that has bats, and they're scary. I used to walk at nighttime, but stopped because of that, and I forgot about that. So I just ran from that part of the neighborhood, and it's probably gonna take me it'll probably take me about 10 minutes to get home. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna head in. I will see you next week for days 15 through 20. Comment below if you are walking, if you're planning to walk. Also leave me a comment. Where are you watching from? Because I understand that depending on where you're at, it may be too cold right now to walk. All right, guys, bye.